Representing Bimota and Kawasaki in this project is something quite is a big challenge, is a big honor. Is to mix such different factories in terms of size and in terms of philosophy is something very curious to see. But it's a super interesting project. It's quite innovative because it's not common this kind of joint venture. And our commitment is help to make it work.
We were very much proud of the fact that Kawasaki came in a certain moment to us saying and asking us if we want to be partner of the new project with Bimota.
Then we had the chance to go visit them, and with KMC staff visiting the office of Motul and explaining all the project behind. Was not just idea to make something strange, no? It was a big plan behind in terms of branding, manufacture, bike development, racing. And then from then on they start to really believe on the project, in a point that even now they are even more motivated than us. So many times they're pushing a lot to make new things or create this branding with Bimota. So it's very nice to see how motivated they are to really support the project and make it bigger.
Well, we are very much committed to this because Bimota and Motul, these are two iconic brands, and they are so much premium, and the people working at Bimota and working at Motul are so passionate about what they are doing. So that's a perfect match in this area of business.
Abbiamo utilizzato il prodotto Motul già dalle prime fasi della KP998 Rimini, perché già Kawasaki lo utilizzava. Noi abbiamo fatto questo prototipo in collaborazione con Kawasaki. Questo ci ha consentito di essere tranquilli come lo siamo sempre stati quando abbiamo utilizzato prodotti Motul, e anche in questo caso ci ha tolto il pensiero del motore. Sapevamo già che il motore funzionava bene, lubrificato nel modo migliore, dovevamo solo concentrarci sulla parte di funzionamento della ciclistica e della carrozzeria.
So coming to the technical experience of both companies, we are very happy to be the partner to develop for such an iconic brand all the products which are coming from the racing very much, and our R&D knowledge and the technology we are offering to Bimota helps them to succeed in many areas, not only on the street but also on the racetrack.
Motul, it brings to the project quality, of course, in terms of product development, with working directly with Japan to improve the products we use, and reliability and safety to secure a good engine performance with good safety margins to make the engine works, to make everything work well. So he's a key partner, and we expect a long relation to keep working in detail to improve the engine and the bike.
Well, when it comes to the commercial aspect of this partnership, it's very crucial that we are present in many outlets of the Bimota dealerships, so that we can show these two iconic brands together, and that we can further develop the success of the business for both parties.
Il prodotto Bimota nasce nelle competizioni per essere portato su strada, e il prodotto Motul è molto simile. Il prodotto Motul è un prodotto che nasce proprio dalle competizioni, dove le prestazioni sono esasperate in tutti i sensi, no? Devi avere prestazioni elevate, hai delle temperature molto elevate, hai delle condizioni di funzionamento difficili. Sono quelle condizioni che poi, quando vengono riportate su strada, trovano la facilità di utilizzo, nel senso che tu sviluppi tutto nelle condizioni estreme, che sono le competizioni, e poi porti su strada. E in questo siamo molto simili a Motul. Noi siamo proprio nati probabilmente nello stesso modo in cui è nata Motul.
Target is to sell Bimotas. This is the main target of racing activity. It's not only to win races, but to give a sense by winning races, to give nice products to the people, make the branding, and people believe in Bimota as a good brand to enjoy and pass a happy life.